Here is the Honda CR-V. Now there are door sensors on each of the 4 doors. I'm just going to show you on the right side doors. Let's go ahead and get started with the front door. Open the door and right over there is the sensor. You can either use a Phillips head screwdriver or an 8mm socket ratchet combination to get the one bolt out of there. If you use a screwdriver, make sure you really push down and then you twist left, because what may happen is that the bolt is stuck there, and if you don't push down properly, the screwdriver may end up stripping the bolt head, and you don't want that. So push down and then twist left, and let's screw this bolt off all the way. Let's get the sensor out. You can pull it out and then sort of twist it 90 degrees to get it out of the car. Now we need to get the electrical connector out, so just press down right over there where I'm pressing with my thumb and then pull the sensor off. Get the new sensor. It only goes on in one way. Put it back in and click it, and now let's put the sensor back in the body, and then we'll get the bolt and put the bolt on. Now it's important you do not lose that bolt, because the bolt is what completes the electrical contact over there and enables the door sensor to work properly. Without that bolt, the door sensor will not work. So get the bolt, let's screw this in all the way, tighten it. The sensor's not moving, that's good. Repeat the process for the rear one. Same process, same bolt, same everything. Let's just get the screwdriver and get the bolt out. Let's get the sensor out. Now if you're not able to push down the connector the way I did in the front one, get the screwdriver and push it down right where I'm showing. That's another way to get the connector off the sensor. Get the new sensor, click it, put it back in, get the sensor back in the body, and let's tighten this down. That's not moving, so that's good, and that's about it. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.